Okay guys, here we go. Yes, it's been a year already. Hashtag SSPC 2025, here we come. New sponsor this year, JBA Sea Potatoes up there in Scotland. Good place for growing sea potatoes, Scotland. Thanks very much guys, and we got a very special sea potato for you this year. 2023 was Performer, some big ones there. 2024 was Manitou, some big ones there. And I reckon there'll be some big ones again this year. It's a main crop potato again, so there's no big rush to get them in. Right, it's a bit awkward this year. This potato is in very limited supply. In fact, as soon as I arranged the deal and got my potatoes allocated, they went out of stock. So there's that few of them. So what I'm going to need to do is, in the event that there's too many entrants, which I don't think there will be, pretty sure I've got plenty of potatoes. And knowing what potato it is, they're going to be good quality potatoes anyway, so I don't think there's a risk. But just in case there is, there's going to be a pecking order for entering. And the pecking order will be this. Club members and entrants who completed the challenge in 2023 and 2024 guaranteed a place if you want to take part this year. After that, it will be anybody who entered and didn't submit weights and any new entrants. But like I said guys, I really don't think it will come to this. Just in case it does, be prepared, and if you do pay me and I have to refund, you'll get your money back, don't worry about that. Covering all bases, hedging my bets, you know what I mean? Right then, the rules, and I'm going to read these because I don't want to miss anything out as usual. 1 entry per channel, 1 entry per family, 1 entry per address. I know you won't cheat, but yeah. UK mainland only, I'm sorry, I can't do it overseas. Like I said last year, it's over £12 to send to America, etc. And there's a very good chance they'll be impounded by customs or USDA, whatever they call themselves over there. I want you to submit 1 video of either the planting or the cutting up or whatever you're going to do to get started. And then 1 video at the end of the challenge, towards the end of the challenge, or whenever you harvest, with the weights. You can do a video, you can send me photographs. If you publish a video, don't put the weights on the video. Just miss out the bit where you're weighing them or whatever, but obviously send the weights to me because I've got to know what you're doing. And you can film and put on your own channel your progress throughout the year if you want. I know quite a few people do it already. If you haven't got a YouTube channel, send me the videos via WeTransfer. We'll discuss that later if you want me to. And I'll stick them on my channel if you want. And if you can't video, send photographs. All I need is photographs of you cutting, planting and harvesting. That's all we need. The reveal video, your final reveal, your final weights must be in before the 31st of October. I cannot stretch any further this year. I delayed it a bit last year for a few people, and it really made me rush towards the end. I had 147 videos to go through, and I had to cobble 8 hours of footage down to about, well, an hour in the end. It was just too long, to tell you the truth. So I may change how I'm doing the final video this year. I may do 1 early in the year with the cutting up and planting, and 1 finale video with the harvesting, the yields and that. That make more sense actually. If you're filming or photographing on a phone, please don't use your phone like that. Use it like that, because that's how my videos are on YouTube, and it makes it easier for me to crop and edit your footage. If you do it like that, I end up cutting your face off or cutting your feet off or the bottom of the bucket or something like that. So please, landscape format only. I'll reiterate this with the letter that goes out with the sea potatoes. When you grow your potatoes, grow them outdoors, please. Not everyone's got a polytunnel, and I know a lot of people stick these potatoes in many, many buckets and they won't fit in your greenhouse. So let's all do it outdoors, and it keeps it on a level playing field. Please, 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 if you do a video, put hashtag SSPC 2025 in the video title. That way it flags up as a hashtag and I can easily locate it and add it to the playlist. For the last 2 years, I have spent ages looking through videos or people I know have entered. Well, he hasn't done a cutting video or whatever. And there it is. It's got an S missing, or it's got a SS, just an SSP or something. Try and get the whole thing, hashtag SSPC 2025, or I can't guarantee it'll be in the playlist for everyone to view. The good bit, there's the good bit. As usual, there'll be an Amazon gift card to the value of £10 for the entrant with the highest yield, the highest weight for all the potatoes. And also this year, Robert, who's won in the previous 2 years, let's knock him off his throne, guys, has generously donated another Amazon £10 gift card for the heaviest single potato. So, you know, maybe, do you want to go for the yield? Do you want to go for a big potato? Ooh, a double challenge this year. Yeah, and knowing this potato, I think there will be a few big uns. Okay then, the instructions. Send me an email, steve@digwellgreenfingers.co.uk. I'll put the address in the video description below as well. Just to let me know that you want to take part. Include your name and your postal address and your YouTube channel if you have one. It saves me looking things up later and pestering you. Oh, you forgot your address, you know. A payment of £3.50 is required. Now it's £3.50, postage costs £3.39, so work it out, you know, it's on the borderline there. And the postage will be by RM48 tracked again. 2023, I lost quite a few potatoes in the post and I couldn't send out new ones. I ended up refunding people, but I'm not going through that again. I accept a PayPal, bank transfer or Amazon gift card to the value of £3.50. Now, if you're using PayPal, please send it to the family or friends method, and there's no fee on it then. I get the whole £3.50. If you send it via normal PayPal, they take off so much. I only end up getting £3.20, I think it is. And if it is and if you do use PayPal, it's the same email address, steve@digwellgreenfingers.co.uk. If you want to pay by any other method, I can't think of any other method, but if you do, then just email me and let me know. Bank transfer is good, dead quick these days as well, and so easy to do. One more thing, I need your interest in taking part and your payment by the 16th of February, please. That's 4 weeks from today. That gives you plenty of time to make up your mind if you want to take part or not, and plenty of time for me to allocate the potatoes. I think that's about it, guys. As soon as the spuds arrive, I'll start shipping. And all I can say now is, good luck, everybody. So looking forward to it again this year. It really was fun last year. Good luck, and I'll chat with you soon.